Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Logical. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to log into your KCMO Quick Tax account. For this guys, what you need to do is open up any web browser, as I have already opened the Microsoft Edge. Now bring up the search bar and type in Quick Tax Gen Tax and hit the enter. Make sure it takes you to the official link, just click on that link. Now you will be taken to the new interface, just click here to start over. Now you will be taken to the official website of Quick Tax. At the right side of your screen you can see the login form. Simply you need to enter your username over here. Similarly enter your password over here. If you want to see your password or confirm your password, just click on I icon to see your password. And once you click on login button, then you will be easily access your account. In case if you forgot your username or password, just click on forgot username or password to recover your username or password. This much for today guys. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest video and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.